Here we are in Edgewater Estates, a collection of fine premium luxury homes steps away from the Grand River. There's so many lovely families that are here because the schools are so good, the proximity is so good, and so many of the features of this home are so good that you'll be forced to take note, so take notice. Welcome to 311 Sims Estate. So what defines premium? Well, how about perfect landscaping throughout, all brick, reclaimed style exposure, plus an extra wide lot. More on that later. Take note. Stepping inside to this phenomenal over 2,700 square foot residence, you'll notice the beautiful open to above detail passing by the main floor office and den area. Following along these gorgeous hardwood floors past the powder room and the laundry room with gorgeous custom cabinetry into this family room space, firelit no doubt, and yes, it is tasteful. Take note. Now you can't help but take notice of this amazing kitchen lit by huge sliders stepping out to the beautiful backyard. We'll touch on that. But this space has been upgraded to the nines with some custom countertops, custom cabinetries, beautiful appliance set, and also moves perfectly and seamlessly into this lovely, and I mean lovely, dining room with huge side window letting in tons of ample natural light with also custom millwork and cabinetry. Please take note that also some extra casual dining can be done right here. Let's go upstairs. Here we are upstairs. Take note of all the beautiful natural light that cascades through this beautiful, beautiful home. And if you notice upstairs, there will be not one, not two, but three beautiful bedrooms for you to take note. Highlighted by this crisp and clean and almost palatial principal bedroom with, of course, walk-in closet and beautiful marble ensuite. Please take note that this ultra sleek neutral color palette works its way through all the other 3 bedrooms upstairs and on into the beautiful marble bathroom with more wainscoting detail. Now, if 4 bedrooms upstairs isn't quite enough for you, you need to take note that this residence has a fully finished basement. And not only is it finished nicely with this beautiful rec room with pot lights and a double-sided fireplace, but you have 2 more bedrooms sharing a beautiful 3-piece bath with heated floors. Got little ones? Well then, my friend, you need to take note that there's also this kid's den. 2 routes to the backyard from the irrigated side yard, and this is some extra space to play in for a puppy or the kids because the backyard is used for this lovely and private backyard poolside oasis. Perfect for you if you have 5. Well, you can take it here, and no tisk, tisk, tisk. This is a saltwater pool with also a heat pump providing all the warmth you might need on a chilly evening. If the trip down south isn't happening this year, you can also take note and take solace that you can enjoy some time in this backyard poolside bar too. So if you like all that you've seen, hopefully you've taken note of 311 Sims Estate. It's such a beautiful spot. I'm Watty, Chestnut Park.